back to Too Many Freaking Crafts. I'm here with my son, Colin, and our little monster, Lucy.
Our little monster.
She's here. Say hi.
Hi.
Yep. Anyways, so if you've been with us before, you know. And if you don't, oh well. I want to tell you. So we are making custom Funko Pops to go along with Rainbow Brite.
And if you haven't seen any of the other videos, you should definitely go
back. It'll make more sense. Anyways, so the people we're working on now are Lala Orange. And almost done. Shy Violet. Colin over here is working on Starlite. A little touch-ups to do on Shy Violet. It's pretty much done.
Oh yeah.
So I might end up finishing up our Lala Orange for Dylan. May or may not be joining us.
No.
Another son.
He might.
He might. As I said, may or may not. You hand me the white. Yes. Thank you, Assistant Ethan.
Who's in the background? I just came in.
Just came in.
Let's get down to business.
Mr. Krabs, he's gone.
Alright, I am touching up the trim.
Touching up?
Shy Violet.
Touching up?
Yes.
How can you touch something up?
Okay, touching up means you're just kind of fixing it up.
Oh, I thought it meant like touching something. Like
It's not a literal thing, hon. It's not a literal thing. No, you can't touch something up. I mean, there's some things you could, but anyways.
Like a bird.
Anyways, let's move on. Let's move on.
No touchy.
Goes up to blue. The thing. Stop. Wait, let me see Starlight.
Starlight, oh, Starlight card. It's right there. So it's like a rainbow, hon. So he goes, gonna go from orange to yellow.
Go all the way to blue. It goes all the way to blue.
Yeah, goes all the way to blue, or it should be like almost a purple.
It's only blue.
Okay, that's right. We can just go to blue. That's fine.
So then I have red and orange. I'm going to use yellow and blue. Yeah, I have enough.
I'm really happy with Shy Violet. She came out really well. Like, awesome. I do need to add her little star that goes in her hair. So I like to try to be as accurate as possible. And then I'm thinking we might be pretty much done with her until we spray her down. Hey, Ethan, ask Dylan if he minds if I paint Lala Orange for him.
Are you okay with her painting all the orange? Sure.
Yes, he's okay. It's okay with it? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna finish up Lala Orange for Dylan McBill. McBillin? I actually have plenty. I don't know why the yellow's sitting here. Plenty of orange over here. So I'm actually, you gotta teach the kids. I try and I try. You do not just leave them sitting out in the paint. You're not using them, you rinse them off. This episode is brought to you by Dr. Pepper. Yes! Oh, wait. Ding.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all.
After we're done with these three, the next ones we're going to do are Canary Yellow and Indigo. And then we're going to be doing Murky and Lurky.
And then we'll take over Rainbow Land.
Alright, so I think we've done pretty good at touching this lady up here. Of course, while you're doing touch-ups, you can always end up making little mistakes and have to go back and make touch-ups to your touch-ups. Of course. Okay. So Lucy's giving up now. Calling it away for a minute. I'm home by myself. You can watch me work on the lovely Lala Orange's hair. Now I've gotten it almost too light. This is impossible. You know, that's the thing though, when you're making your own colors, you kind of have to just figure it out. And yeah, but she had brown hair to begin with because she was Jackie Onassis. And now she's coming Lala Orange. La 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 la. What they're going for, I think. Yeah, it's okay. We can end up doing whatever we want to her hair. We can interpret her hair to be whatever we like. I think maybe she needs a little, like, a bit of black in here to get it the darker color. But I might end up deciding that I like this color, despite that the character itself doesn't really have dark hair. It doesn't have, like, red hair. It has darker hair. You know, it's all up, customization is all up to you as far as, like, how far do you want to go with it? How much do you want to change things? And if you're doing what I'm doing and you're customizing something to look like an actual character or something, you kind of up to you because it's your thing that you're doing. How accurate you want to be to the original design of that character. What do you think? Does it still look good? Does it look red? Because I don't want it to look red. I want it to still look like it's a different color than Red Butler's hair.
What's wrong with red?
Yeah, what he said.
We've got to make an additional skirt because our skirt here is a little broader than what we have on our lady. As you see, her skirt's not quite as full, so I'm going to add more. And I actually made that skirt and her coat and everything pretty much, I built it on top of the Jackie Onassis doll. She had kind of a pretty basic dress. Well, that's all for today. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Another Too Many Freaking Crafts.